Are you ready for well-being breathing? Make sure that you are comfortable. Blow your nose before you start this exercise. Make sure that you turn the screen away from you while you are listening to my voice. Get ready and let us have a go. Bliss birds breathing. Close your right nostril gently with your right thumb. Slowly breathe in through your left nostril for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the left nostril. Open your right nostril and breathe out for 6 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat 2 more times. Breathe in through your left nostril. 4 counts. Breathe out through your right nostril. 6 counts. Pause your video and practice this now. Well done. Let's reflect upon our thoughts. This is how I'm feeling right now. Can you draw or write how you are feeling? You can share this with someone when you're finished, or you can just reflect upon it by yourself. Well done.